Guys, if you're looking for top online trading platforms that you can choose from, then this video is for you. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so in this video, we will be checking out two websites. One is for Invidia Trade and another one is for the Interactive Brokers. So link to that will be in the description of the video as always. Now guys, Invidia Trade and Interactive Brokers both serve modern traders across asset classes. But guys, here's the thing. Nvidia offers several compelling advantages in user experience, fees, and support. Those are my top things that I am looking for in an online trading platform when I am looking for one. And that is actually what I also would recommend that you take into consideration in choosing the best online trading platform for you. So let's talk about the first one. All right. Platform ease and innovation. Now, NVIDIA trades proprietary platforms like the CloudView, CloudTrader Vision X, and MT5 with TradingView integration are praised for their clarity and their advanced features that go along with it. And users are describing them as super intuitive with clean, powerful charting tools. And those are the top stuff, guys, that you need to consider. Now, Interactive Brokers, okay? On the other hand, guys, offers multiple platforms. You have the TWS, Client Portal, IBKR Mobile, Global Trader, which are robust but often overwhelming and sometimes laggy on login. And those are the things that they actually are offering in their platform. Those are, I mean, not so bad. They have some tools that will definitely also be able to help you out. But again, it's totally up to you. Now, I would like to take you to the next one that you would need to consider, and that is user experience and support that they would be able to offer. And guys, one user has actually quote, and I quote this one. All right. Deposits and withdrawals are seamless. Speed and security makes trading enjoyable, guys. The security of an online trading platform is key because you don't want to lose all your assets, because of lack of security. Now, its support is very responsive, guys, and its support is very responsive and beginner friendly. So, in contrast, okay, IBKR support, which is the chat and ticketing, is solid for advanced needs, but its multifaceted platforms can challenge novices. All right. So it's not for the people that are like beginners or intermediates and all that. So it's kind of a little complicated for my taste. So something like that. But again, it's totally up to you. And the next area, guys, that I would like to cover, and this should be my top one, guys, which is the fees and the cost transparency of the online trading platform, because you don't really want to be surprised with all the fees, like the high fees and all that. So guys, Nvidia Trade is noted for low fees and transparent pricing, and many users report valuable cost savings now. And on the other hand, Interactive Brokers offers competitive pricing, zero commissions on US stocks, ETFs via the IBKR Lite, and tiered per share, or the contract rates via Pro. But some tiers, tools, and interest structures are very complex. And you could also explore that one out. Go ahead and head onto their website. That way you would still be able to compare all those and check out, what are the things that Nvidia Trade is really good on, and what are some stuff that I like about Interactive Brokers. And that's really how you would be able to find what's best suited for your taste. And the next one that I would also like to, for you guys to consider is the asset offering and the target market of each of the online trading platforms. Now, Interactive Brokers stand out with a vast global asset range. They have the stocks, you have the Forex, the futures, cryptos, prediction markets, bonds, ETFs across dozens of countries with low margin rates. But Nvidia Trade is offering Forex, CFDs, crypto, PAM, and much more, but with a stronger focus and on a streamlined ease over the breadth. Now, you got to go ahead and check out all the important information, guys. I would strongly encourage that you do your own research. Head on over to their website. Check out each part, each area, like this one right here, Invidia Trade. You have the About Invidia Trade. Once you click on that, we'll take you directly here, and then you would be able to get much more information that would tell who they are, what they do, what are the value that they would be able to offer when you trade with them. All right, so go ahead and do check those out. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.